Today, I'll walk you through how to block and unblock people on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your friends list so you can enjoy a more personalized Snapchat experience. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. This is your gateway to connecting with friends, sharing moments, and managing your interactions. Once you're in the app, navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your butt emoji or the silhouette icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, click on My Friends. This is where you'll find a list of all the people you've connected with on Snapchat. Now locate the name of the person you want to block. To do this, simply hold down on their name until a menu pops up. From this menu, select Manage Friendship. This option will give you access to various settings related to that friend. Here you will see the option to block the user. Simply click on Block and confirm your choice. This will prevent them from sending you snaps or viewing your stories. Now let's talk about unblocking someone. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps are still quite similar. From your profile, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can manage your account preferences. Scroll down to the section labeled Privacy Control and click on Blocked Users. Here, you'll see a list of all the users you've blocked. To unblock someone, simply click the X next to their name. A confirmation prompt will appear and you can confirm that you want to unblock them. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to block and unblock people on Snapchat. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.